Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of sweet. A small piece of sugary sweet food in a rectangular shape. For example, a bag of sweets. The second definition of sweet. Sweet foods, collectively. For example, Americans eat too many sweets. American pronunciation. Sweet. Sweet. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Sweet. Say. Sweet. Sweet means small piece of confectionery. Sweet. Sweet. Sweet origin. Old English sweet is of Germanic origin. It is related to Dutch shoot and German sus. The Indo-European root that Latin suavis shares with Greek hetis is an Indo-European one. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The tea tastes a little bitter with some lingering sweet aftertaste. Now, repeat after me. The tea tastes a little bitter with some lingering sweet aftertaste. The second practice. Chamomile flower Metricaria spp has a pleasantly bitter and sweet taste. Now, repeat after me. Chamomile flower Metricaria spp has a pleasantly bitter and sweet taste. Visual representation of sweet. Sweet means a small piece of sugary sweet food in a rectangular shape.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.